Good evening. Today is March 25, 2024 Monday, and here are the 7 p.m. SL Visayas result today for Lapu-Lapu City and Mandaue City. Here are the SL Shore 3 7 p.m. draw result for Lapu-Lapu City under Laka 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for March 25, 2024 Monday. Here are the STL Shore 3 7 p.m. draw result for Mandaue City under Piona Trading Supply Corporation for March 25, 2024 Monday. Thank you for watching this 7 p.m. video for evening of March 25, 2024 Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.